Hello everybody, today I'm going to speak about how to add green screen with Unreal Engine and add PNG sequence or EXR and play with all settings. We'll speak about how to remove green screen with Premiere and insert your footage to Unreal and play with camera to get this nice result and play with all of this setting. Before we start, don't forget to like for my video and subscribe for my channel, and let's get started. First of all, we need to go to Adobe Premiere. This is my videos. So now we need to go to effect. From window you need to choose effect, or you can shift 7 and choose ultra key, like this one, and come here and shift 5. You can from window and choose effect. Where is it? This one, and you need to go to ultra key and choose green screen. Now we have green screen like that. We need to increase and decrease something to be more nice. Okay, this one, and okay, now we need to this to be composite. So this is our ultra key. Now if you come here and check, make sure this is alpha, you will see this like that. So we need to export all of them PNG file or EXR. Okay, so now I make all of them the same. Okay, so we need to make it nest, cause something here, and make mask. Okay, now we can make like that. Now check all of them. So this is our video. Now I need to export all of them PNG sequence. So before anything, look, if I am here, so now I will start from this point. Okay, so I need to add number 1, for example, to be in the first. Okay, number 1 to use it, or you can make clap with your hand or anything to remember this in the when you composite your video. Okay, just first frame. Okay, this one, before you speak like that, to come here before this wave, we need to make this number. When I will start my video, this is like clap. So now I'm going to export all of them as PNG file. So I will select all of them, come the first I, and this one, and IO, and we will Control M, or from file and export media. PNG file, make sure PNG sequence with alpha. Okay, use maximum render quality. Nice. Okay, so where you will save all of them. Okay, Unreal PNG. Okay, maybe this 01. Okay, save, export. Now we'll export this movie. After that I need to go to Unreal, so we need to come here and create new folder. Delete, for example, because I will delete all of them. Okay, delete BNG. So now I will right click and choose media, image media source, image media source, and double click and choose our folder Unreal BNG 01 and choose look. This is my first sequence. So now save, close, and just we need to insert this one here. Okay, scale it a little bit, and there is nothing happened, so we need to make, just come here and make simulation. So look what happened. After that we need to go to post process and play with light like that. So we have now minimum and max bright, so we will play with all of them like this and increase and decrease our light. So to go to your result and we will explain more about that. So we need to come here, save, and go to cinematic and level sequence, double click and get this one here, insert our camera. So now we are in this place, so choose our camera, for example squeeze to be like that, and we need to choose this one. Okay, now we are here, and this one to be like that. Look, now but you need to build your light and something, but this is our result. So nice, you can render it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like for my video and subscribe for my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.